is not the greatest. Okay. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I am testing out, well, Kylie Jenner Liquid Matte Lipstick and Liner Lip Kit. Kylie Cosmetics came to Canada and exclusively at Shoppers Drug Mart. So this kit is $37. So you get a liquid lip and you get a liner. So is it be worth the price of it? Line, fill the lips, perfect, contour, apply lipstick on lips. Is it long wear? It doesn't say if it's long wear, transfer proof, or anything. Usually when it comes to matte liquid lipstick and that stuff, it's usually can be, I'm looking for long wear, seeing if it's I realize this color might not go with my eyes. I don't know, let's see how it goes. Thank goodness I'll be at work wearing it. And the most reason why I want to be wearing this too is seeing if I can actually wear this all day at work with my face mask, because I like wearing my lips. I like wearing my lipstick, so I'm like, oh, I want to wear lipstick and all that stuff. So yeah. So by looks like this is a sharpened pencil, because I know in the past that from what I heard, I never test anything from Kylie's Cosmetics because we're usually down in the States. And this is the first time me trying it. I just testing this for testing purposes. And I'm not a fan, I don't like the Kardashians or the Jenners type thing. They're just like a whole nother planet in my world. So let's see how this goes. See if it's worth the $37 price tag. Yeah. I don't know how this color is gonna go with this. My eye look. I suck at lining my lips. Like I usually, when it comes to lining my lips, I usually pick a nude color, so not to worry about bad. This is the lip. So like in the past, I've heard like they're like after a while like it happens that those are also like color pop too. With your lip liners. It's not my most favorite doe foot applicator. Not my favorite one. Like my favorite ones are like the YSL ones when it's like that. It's like a spatula almost. It dries down pretty quick. I don't know how well this goes. I don't like the combination of my lip being so like the orange-ish color going on, and this color on the lips is not my favorite look. I still got a little bit of coffee. Let's see if it doesn't move on there, so I'm good so far. Let's see how long this has lasted throughout the day. So I'll be heading to work here. So let's see how how long it lasts and see if I'll have anything left on my list by the time I get home from work. We'll find out. And if it's gonna worth this $37 price tag. Like if I do, I'm probably not gonna purchase the kit. I might just, if I do purchase it, I might just do the liquid lip, but not pencil. Because I got pencils that I like better, like my Revlon pencils, because I like the color nude colors. So I prefer the nude, most invisible, and then go with the dark lip. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I gotta finish, throw my uniform on and head out to work. I'll see you guys later on. Hey guys, so I'm back from work. So it is about 6 o'clock. So clearly most of my lip have ran away. I got a little bit left from it, but not much. So would I considering purchasing it? Probably not. Would I continue the one that I got? I'm still on the hunt for a good long wear liquid lip that lasts throughout the day. But give or take, today I kind of did probably not eat for lunch. I kind of had wings. I'm gonna give it another test where I had a croissant. If you have like really buttery and have a lot of food that it's not the greatest, buttery-ish, greasy, like wings, it will run away. Like I've seen it on my on my coffee this morning. Yeah, I see marks of it, but yet on here it was fine. So yeah, I will give it another day or two wearing it, see about how it goes. But how much I try and figure out how much it is just by itself will be. I'm trying to figure out if it's like, if I can get, I'm trying to figure out what prices for it by itself. I don't know what pharmacy. Yeah, so I bought, that came in a Holo, as I got that. elf stuffing these. And then I'm finally a new bottle of Catrice. And then I'm in scraping the ends of that one. Okay. Let's go shot. Okay, let's go makeup. Whoops. Okay, so $37 for it by itself. How much is it just for the lip? $22. So it's $22 just for the liquid lip by itself, and then $37 for the kit, where I could go and get a Milani one for $4. Yeah, so this is where I'm like, okay, lip liners are where I'm at for the drugstore, like. So I'll probably rather stick to my, because with it also be a sharpened one. I'm just curious how long it will last me before it's having issues with it, because I know they had issues with it in the past. Wondering who is her new. Oh yeah, I think she also was her new. Also, she has a new manufacturer who is, I believe it's Cody. Who's her new manufacturer? Because I know she was with Seed, and then a lot of things happen. So yeah. It's like mine. These are like $50. That's $22. Mid-range. But I'm pretty sure I can probably get my Sephora line ones where Sephora might be cheaper, I think. The Sephora. Even like my drugs, some of the drugstore ones I have that are cheaper. Yeah, so you can get the cream lip stain Sephora collection for $19, which is $3 cheaper than that. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm on the fence of it, of what I think of it. It did, I kind of lost track of when it fell apart, and I lost most of it. So it's like probably good for good. I think I briefly looked at it at lunch break. I was like, might be good for 4 hours. It might last longer if you don't eat or drink or eat food. Because clearly it'll run away. And then on the other side, going off trail here, talking about work the last few days, is there something in the water? If there's something going on, just let me know, because I've deal with so many stupid people this last week. Literally. The level of dumb. It's like, okay, you realize when there's one price tag and you read the label. Don't assume. Read. Read the label. Don't come to my tell. I was like, oh, I thought it was $8.99 and this says it was worth one tag on it. It's only peach pies only. Thank you for coming out. So yeah. Or another one was, we had Country Harvest bread on Country Harvest, and then our in-house brand was on sale, 2 for $4. And people assume it was the Country Harvest is on sale. No, it's our in-house one, the one above it. Because they grabbed the red one, and every single time I'm like, read the label. Read it. Read the label. A lot of the people who decide to still come to my store without a mask on. I swear to God, those people I want to go, hopefully they'll go find a clip of some sort. Or go to an island where, go to an island. Go to an island where all belong. Go to your island where you all belong if you don't want to wear the mask. Go to the anti-mask island. Okay? I don't want to see you guys. Yeah, that is like seeing people walking in like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is what the thoughts go in my head sometimes when I'm like working at work and you stare at people. I'm like, really? Did 2021 and 2020 really bring out the dumb people? I feel like that. Really feel like that. Before I go on around anymore, I'm going to sign off. I post new videos every Wednesday and Friday at 10 a.m. PST. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget Rainbow. And